Hi, Spencer here with Mountain Fresh Laundry. Today I want to show you how to use our laundry lockers at the Carnelian Bay store. First off, scan the QR code at the front of the lockers and it'll take you to the home page here. You select laundry lockers, and if you're an existing client, it'll ask you to sign in right there. If you're not an existing client, you can go down to the bottom and create a new account. Once you do that, start by putting the address there at 5075 North Lake Tahoe Boulevard in Carnelian Bay. It can auto-populate. Once you put that in, it checks the service area, and then it'll ask you for a little bit of personal information as far as first name, last name, email address, and phone number. So just go ahead and fill those in. And then after name and phone number, you'll need to create a password. And once you've created a password and you've created an account, your username will become your email address, and then your password is what you set up there. So it didn't like the password at first. It wanted something stronger, so it likes at least 8 characters, and I believe it also needs to be a mix of numeric and alphanumeric digits. And then here it just asks you the question, I'm using Mountain Fresh Laundry for myself or for a business. It's just kind of for our personal information. Again, there it didn't like the password wasn't complex enough, so let me fix that. Okay, once that's correct, down at the bottom there, you click Terms and Conditions. Not letting me set it up because I already have an account associated to that email address. So here we'll jump over to once you've already created the account and you're logging in. So once you finish creating that account, you just log in with your email address and password that you've set up, and you click Login. You also can set your preferences to stay logged in, so on your next orders you immediately jump to the order page and can bypass all the work you've already done here. We'll just finish typing in the email address here and the password, and we'll get ourselves logged in. Once we're logged in here, it's going to take us to our dashboard page. Our dashboard page here will let us begin an order. It'll also let us check on the status of our orders that we've already placed. So to begin your order, you click that green button there, and if you want to use the laundry lockers, you select it on the right there. Scroll down, select the location that's highlighted. And then what you do now is you take your dirty laundry, you put it into any of the open locker numbers, you close the locker number, and you lock it using pound and the last 4 digits of your phone number. And then look on the bottom left corner of the locker, you'll note a locker number there, and you place it into that box. The next box down now that's being filled in is the preference box. You can use this box to type things such as please hang dried or button down shirts, or please use unscented fabric softener only, or any other special requests that we should know about with your laundry. You can put it there in that box. Then going down to the payment box here, you can add a payment method, which is debit or credit card. And once that's in, you scroll all the way down. It's very important that you hit that submit order button at the bottom. If you don't press the submit order button at the bottom there, your order doesn't go through and we don't get notified that you've placed your dirty laundry in the locker. So it's important to make sure that you push that button, and then it comes to this page here, which is your confirmation page, where it gives you an order number. You can keep track of that order number so we can look up your order. And then from once you've completed the order and put it in the locker, your clean laundry will be back in 48 hours or less. Thanks.